Hey guys, Dave from Dave's Lawyer Shopworks here. Today we're going to start stripping down the gasser. Finally, it's been a couple weeks in my garage, had some yard cleanup to do, a couple other things on the go, but it is time to start building. And to start building, you got to tear down. So I've enlisted the help of my friend Carl, and we are going to get this thing on the road. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy the process. All right, guys, so I didn't really count how much time that was. That was about 30 minutes, give or take 5. Not bad, no real surprises. The car had been obviously pulled apart beforehand, but now we're at the fun. My frame, I'll give you a close-up later, but the frame has been repaired in so many ways. Like plated over, not really nicely, but definitely utilitarian. But even here, this is just a buzz of weld. Like, wow. So the plan is we're going to cut the frame rails right after the steering box, get rid of all the front suspension, and I'll do that once I got the frame leveled out, cut it off, and we can wheel that outside and then start eyeballing up the front leaf spring front axle. Hopefully everything goes pretty good. If not, we'll still make it work. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, and all those things, please and thank you. And have a good one, guys.